Start with the latest on the Taylor Schabusiness case. As we first showed you yesterday, the woman charged with murdering and dismembering a man in Green Bay, you saw it right there, attacking her attorney during her competency hearing in that Brown County courtroom. Her competency hearing was adjourned until March 6th, while her trial itself was delayed and will tentatively start now on May 15th. And our Brittany Schmidt, we talked with her yesterday about this. And Brittany, what we're seeing right there, that was the angle we saw yesterday.
Right.
What we started with and what you first saw today in that clip was new video. Where did that come from? What does it tell you?
Yep, so the new video that we got today is from the Brown County Sheriff's Office. They were able to give us actual footage from inside the courtroom.
Okay.
So that's a camera up in the corner
Yep.
of Judge Walsh's courtroom. And what it shows us is really the emotion and what could have led to the attack that happened. So there you see, because our cameras were kind of behind her,
Sure.
so we had that angle
Which
after
is your
the attack.
vantage point as well, not just the camera. That's
Correct.
all you saw was everything from behind.
Yes, you got it. So today I saw that new angle.
Yeah.
So, and you can see there her attorney is silent. He doesn't say anything to her. He just kind of moves some papers. And you see her, she's just kind of motionless. She doesn't say anything. And we know she didn't really say anything during the attack there. And then you see her attorney kind of move out of the way. The deputy was there within seconds, right? And he got her contained, held her down to the ground, really doing everything he's supposed to there, kind of pushing her towards out of the way. And then that's when they cleared the room. But you see him, quick response. The attorney is okay.
Okay, and we talked about that yesterday. So
Right.
that clip came, as you mentioned, from the sheriff's office. So they clearly have reviewed everything that took place in that courtroom yesterday. There was again
There it is.
how stoic she was right beforehand. What did they tell you today about the way this was handled?
This was handled how they were trained.
Okay.
They said they did exactly what is expected and what they are trained to do. As you see there, he gets her down, he holds her, he's got her, and she's got a belt on, and her handcuffs there are attached to that belt around her waist.
So she doesn't have free range with her arms, even though her hands were cuffed together.
You got it, right.
Okay.
So he's got his hands, he's kind of got him in the middle of those handcuffs, so holding her down as she's kicking and struggling. He instantly tells, hey, the person in the court to call for backup.
Sure.
And backup immediately comes in, which is exactly protocol. And then, you check on everybody involved. So they asked the attorney if he was okay, and then they even asked Schabusiness if she was okay and if she was hurt, and she just kept saying, no, 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 no,
Right.
and then they escorted her out. So.
And again, that conversation that we heard as the cameras continued to roll after everybody was out of the courtroom, she asked what happened.
Correct.
And
the deputies told her that you attacked your attorney, and now there is a change. Well, not necessarily a change, but they will make sure that 2 deputies are with her every time she is in court.
Every time she is in court. Okay, The question that we left with yesterday, speaking with you, was when she returns to court, who will be her defense attorney? Do we have any more clarity on that?
We don't. They finally entered the notes into CCAP, so I could kind of look at the record that they have there, and they said that the judge will take up Jolly's motion at the next hearing.
And his motion was to
withdraw from the case. Yep,
okay.
And the judge said, yep, I will hear it and I will rule on it. I don't know exactly when that'll happen, because if you look at CCAP, the next court appearance says February 27th for a preliminary hearing for the trial, a prelim.
Okay.
I don't know if that's going to happen, because now the trial is pushed back, because the competency hearing is pushed back.
Which is March 6th, so after February
Correct.
27th, obviously.
So we really don't know, and I did call the public defender's office here locally in Green Bay to see if they could give me any details about what this could mean, and they just couldn't comment at this time.
All right, Brittany, thanks so much for that update.